So hey everyone, my name is Pranjal Shivhare and I'm a software developer. This video is regarding my placement journey. I was able to crack 6 plus companies which mainly include Triosoft, Quality Kiosk, Hexaware, Cognizant, DCS and WebMD. So the package range is from 3 to 9 LPA. If you are targeting for this range, you can use the resources that I have used. So in this video, I'll be sharing the resources that I have used and some key insights that might be helpful for your placement journey. So let me brief you about myself and then I'll be sharing the resources that I have used for my placement. So when I was in first year, I started with C++ and data structures and algorithm. I used LeetCode and CodeShell to improve my problem solving skills. And later on for projects, I learned front-end development, which include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. After building some projects, basic projects, and some projects which includes React, I realized that front-end was not for me. So it was third year. So I started with machine learning, which was also in trend at that time. So I learned the basics like Python libraries, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and other basic libraries. I built some projects. There is a website which make you learn more about machine learning through projects. You can prepare for your placements. So for aptitude and numerical ability, you can go for online study for you. This is the basic channel that provides you content based on the current test and the patterns. So you can directly go and search about the particular company and particular topic or the particular like numerical ability or aptitude. So you will get all the content there. So it is the best I can recommend. For SQL, if you are not aware of anything related to SQL, you can there is a channel named dev19 dev19. So this is a channel where you will get short videos of every query which is there in SQL and which is asked in interview. And for C++ and Java and DSA, first resource that I can suggest is Anuj Bhaiya. The second is Shraddha Khapra up from Apna College, and the third I can share is TUF. For topics like graph, BFS, DFS, TUF is the best. It's 2025 and still if you want to learn front-end development, two channels that I can recommend you. So their programming with Mosh is the first one. Second one is Six Pack Programmer. It is the I know you haven't heard of it, but it is the another channel that I can recommend you. Another one is Andrew Chen. And for projects, you can refer JavaScript Mastery. It has wide range of projects. If you want to learn machine learning, as I did, so you can go for Code Basics, which is all the content available for free. And the another is you can go for Krish Nayak. If you want to learn deep concepts like in depth, so you can go for it. There's a page with the name Training, which provides you the projects and its process, like how it is built. So if you want to if you are the person who learn through projects, building projects, so you can refer this page. Advice that I can give you is if you are in first, second, or third year even, and from tier 3 college, you're not able to crack GSOC or get internship at like big companies. So what you can do is you can go to LinkedIn or Internshala and reach out to the people who are hiring freshers like intern for internship from tier 3 college, because there are so many startups who can't pay much, but so you can go to LinkedIn and Internshala. You can reach out to the people and companies who hire freshers for internships, not freshers but the beginners, like if you are in first and second year, to know a lot, like how a team works, how projects are implemented. So you'll get to know a lot only if you are not able to crack some big companies, so it is recommended. Secondly, if you are in first or second year, if you have not started, you want a job or career in tech, it's highly recommended to start your coding journey as soon as possible you can. The third tip that I want to share is the IT industry evolves rapidly. So if you're someone watching now, so don't start your journey with front end, then machine learning, then like this. You can search about the latest technologies. Watch at least 2 minutes video of every skill or tech, like AI, machine learning, chat GPT, everything. Get to know about it before starting and choose it wisely, because what is in trend now does not mean that it will be in trend after 4 years. So this is all the resources that I have used in my placement journey. If you have any queries regarding anything, any resources, any channel, you can comment down below. I'll make sure I'll reply and solve your query. However, other than this, like that, you should start your programming journey right now. Huh?